overloaded my armor. I'm stuck.
U.S.A. What the? What's happening?
Oh, nothing. I just turned you into a giant magnet.
Oh my gosh, Cam, get up!
I can't. The suit's out of power. It won't budge.
Come on, Mega John, hit him!
Lightning's going to the Super Bowl. 1, 2, 3. He's done it! Lightning has done it! Lightning wins Total Drama, Revenge of the Island, and the $1 million prize!
Yes! Run over brains! Thank you! I told him that, by the way.
See that? Not even lightning can stop the lightning. Ah, victory is the ultimate shebang. From now on, you can call me White Lightning.
I may not have won, but I did survive. And that counts for a lot when you grow up hermetically sealed in plastic. Just being alive is a personal victory.
Congratulations, Lightning. To the winner go the spoils. $1 million in cold hard cash.
Sorry you lost, Cam.
On the contrary, thanks to my armor, I wasn't beaten nearly as savagely as I expected, which means I don't have to go back to my bubble. Personal win.
So, Lightning, how are you going to spend the money? My fee is 10%.
If you need someone to play video games for you while you're laid up, I'm available.
No way! I'm using this to buy my own stadium so I can get in shape for football season. My advice? Save for physio, bro. Pain don't mean nothing to Lightning. I'll just walk it off. Somebody.
I carried both these Maroons to the finale. Where's my $1 million? What a ripoff!
Well, that's it for another season.